How to use peat moss on lawns. Peat moss offers a natural, organic option for improving the soil of your lawn. Peat moss loosens heavy soil, absorbs moisture and reduces the leaching of nutrients, which can help you avoid lawn diseases and thatch. Applying peat moss is a simple process. Things you'll need: aerator, rake, peat moss, fertilizer or compost optional. Aerate your lawn. Aeration loosens compacted soil and facilitates root growth. Rake the soil plugs loosened by the aeration process. Spread a 1/4 to 1/2 inch layer of peat moss over your lawn, using the rake. Experts refer to this process as top dressing. Add fertilizer or compost, if desired.